I got my new cards in for my notary business. And those that are in business, if you want to increase your business, this is a simple energetic trick that you can do. And it is to charge your cards with the frequency of abundance and also to attract clients that you want to serve. So first of all, what you want to do is get yourself in a comfortable state and use your pendulum. So you would want to clear the energy from the cards. So first you're going to ask, please clear the negative energy adversely affecting me and my business now. And so that's going to spin, and you're going to allow it to spin for as long as it needs. Okay, and so then that's done. So now you're going to boost it. Please increase the abundance and attract clients I am ready to serve now with the highest good. And so then it's going to go the opposite direction, or it's going to be in a different direction than it was when it's clearing, because now it's installing. Okay. And then you can also install other energies that you feel later. So please install the frequency of clarity and inspiration. This way, wherever I drop my cards, it's going to attract the people I'm ready to serve now for abundance. So I highly advise my realtor friends to do this, any salesperson, and may you be abundant.